Raccoons may look cute, but during mating season, they become aggressive and destructive. Don't let your home become their nursery. Call Durapest for safe, humane raccoon removal. During mating season, raccoons can cause chaos. They break into attics, crawl spaces, and chimneys. Our team knows their behavior, especially during this time. We ensure safe removal and prevention. Trust Durapest for quick, safe, and guaranteed service. We seal entry points to prevent future infestations. Reclaim your peace of mind with our expert team. Don't wait for the chaos. Contact Durapest today. Visit our website or give us a call. Your home deserves protection from unwanted guests.